I have exciting news for all petrolheads and racing enthusiasts with the European premiere of the new 2020 RC F Track Edition. Putting track data from the Super GT and Blancpain GT race teams to good use, our engineers pored over every aspect of the car to find ways to make it even more exciting to drive, both on the track and on the road. For example, as standard, the Track Edition includes carbon ceramic brakes, a feature usually only found on supercars. Weight savings were achieved through the extensive use of carbon fiber body panels and chassis components, along with a titanium exhaust system, features you will rarely find in this class, or any other class for that matter. All RC F Track Editions get stiffer bushings for the steering rack and engine mounts, along with specific suspension damping and a fixed rear wing that optimizes downforce. The 5-liter, normally aspirated V8 engine gives it one of the strongest power-to-weight ratios in its class. It delivers 0 to 100 performance in less than 4.3 seconds. The Track Edition is designed for the purist, but rest assured that its track roots are found in all of the 2020 RCF models, as they too adopt launch control, aerodynamic enhancements, and revised suspension tuning. We are excited to bring you the all-new 2020 RCF Track Edition, coming to Lexus dealerships in May 2019.
Today, we host the European premiere of the LC Convertible Concept. As we developed our flagship LC Coupe, its performance, along with its striking design and craftsmanship, have made the LC one of the most sought-after vehicles we have ever produced. Today, the Lexus LC Convertible Concept, like the LC Coupe before it, symbolizes the future direction of our brand. It's not just an aspirational vehicle, it's an aspirational lifestyle. It's a lifestyle that isn't defined by the things you acquire, but by the experiences you remember. Performance is amplified with 22 inches forged alloy wheels, and the unmistakable sound of the engine leaves no doubt. This LC was designed to fully engage all of your senses. Achieving this heightened level of sensory input did not come at the expense of comfort or performance, and certainly not at the expense of design. The memorable lines of the LC Coupe have not been sacrificed to create this open-top concept. The LC Convertible Concept was also designed to deliver a relaxing cabin environment for the driver and passenger, allowing effortless conversation and a precisely controlled climate. Everything that makes the interior of the LC Coupe so unique is also carried over into this concept. From the world-class craftsmanship to the look and feel of the materials, this is a convertible that caters to its guests like a personal concierge. So there you have it, a concept that sits at the pinnacle of design and desirability, making us more excited than ever to see what's next for Lexus.